Good morning, Mom. Good morning, classmate. And today, we are tasked to explore and discover our topic entitled Condition of Work. And before we dive into the details, we would like to introduce ourselves first. I am Danica Bermudez, and
I am Dorito Turanti. I am Nuzito Banyag.
And I'm Kenneth Ismondo. We are the group 4.
and we are the group 4. And let's start.
So, condition of work. Working condition refers to the working environment and aspect of a worker's terms and condition of employment. This covers such matter as the organization of work and work activities, training, skills, and employability, health, safety, and well-being, workload, work time, and work-life balance. And working conditions means nag-include ni siya sa situation of the worker and their safety and security. And also, their situation in a workplace kung okay ra ba or prone ba to hazard or any danger. And ang working condition which nag-focus siya if the worker was treated well in a company and kung na-acknowledge ba ang dapat na-acknowledge. And also their health and safety. And it talks about how to manage work and life wherein to have time to enjoy your work. And inside this report are the things that we should know when we are working and on how to balance work and life. And we have 11 class of working condition. And the first type of working condition is hygiene factors. Health and safety, workers' benefits, profit sharing, job security, working load, work-life balance, work schedule, environment terms, responsibility and accountability, and lastly, occupational stress. And the first type of working condition that we have here is hygiene factors. And so from the word hygiene, it talks about the health and cleanliness. So inside your workplace, your workstation or dapat limpyo na and dili lang sa atong kaugaling yun, and also sa atong area so that to keep you from away disease or any kind of sickness and due to messy or dirty work environment. And kay we are sharing up nga kung limpyo ang atong working area, it will satisfy us and wherein ganahan ta muliyok and of course safe sadta. And if the station is well organized and cleanliness, I mean if the station is well organized and clean and dili ra sa physical nato and also maka-benefits kundi ang atong psychological, emotional, and overall well-being. And next type of working condition is health and safety. Health and safety, which refers to the worker health and safety and when they are working. One of the techniques is to wear PPE or personal protective equipment. And when you are working, and this is where important jud kay maka-help ni to prevent and protect ourselves from any possible hazard or risk. And another one is before ka musabak sa work, dapat you are knowledgeable enough about what you are doing and dili kay go lang ng go bisag dili jud ka kahibalo so it will result to accident jud. That's why we need to well trained. And before bringing yourself in the real world of your job, and we should follow the SOP, I mean standard operating procedures. And so naa jud tay nice step by step process. Dili lang jud magbut-but og buhat sa atong steps kay aside sa atong consuming money consuming, it can possibly result to accidents sad. And every company has a protocol na ginagpalo o ginasunod, and we should adapt to it and follow for a smooth and efficient and effective type of work. So let's proceed in the third types of condition of work. We have worker benefits. So, next time of condition is the workers' benefits. This mean na dapat well compensated ka. In the other word, dapat kung gisulduan ka sad, ang imong work is dili lang ka mudawat dito og kwarta. It because dapat magmatch ka sa imong kahago. Make sure na kabalusad ka unsay benefits na makuha nimo. Like government benefits or HMO, baron, or if naabay accident na willing ba mo shoulder ang company. And you should ask, well, especially sa compensation, do not just directly agree. And know to react. If you think imong salary na match sa level sa sa level of effort og hard work na imong gipagawas, then speak up. And employees have rights to so di ira makapahilom sa daplin. So ipait lang ang katungod. And the next working condition will be discussed by Noji.
Let's proceed to profit sharing, job security, workload, and work-life balance. Profit sharing is a combination system where proportion about of the company proper is a division amount is the employer is away in accommodation employer performance and foster division come basing factors so individually performance team performance and company wide probability. Next, job security refers to stability and predictability. Employment preparation to employer condition in their combination employment with company high job and security employing that like livelihood job loss dual
Okay ra.
downside and predictability of full performance. This is of security classically and employer morally and productivity. 6. Next, workload or factor 2. The amount of the work assessment to the employer of the team, the wives of the give, the time, the parent, and income pass and the quality, complexity, and intensity of the touch of the impact on individuality or team of ability of effectivity of complete responsibility while manage workload and ensure that employer the challenge about not of overwhelming. Next, work-life balance refer to the equilibrium between individual of personals and a person the life and about personally integrated the demands of work or other life ethic. So as a family, friends, habit, and personal well-being, healthy and work-life balance, noise, the entering overwork, and nearly of the personal life, the promote over being and poverty, burn out, For example, work plus a balance. The life is a balance, the person a balance. Family, friends, the habit, and all the work is a balance your life. 6. Work loaded in friend. For example, individually a team, the ability. As ability in life is to support your life with the friends. Job is security. Job is security about your life to very important. Healthy, very strong, kindness, responsibility. Livelihood of job allows a do it to factors your life. The products hide a job security. Need is job is employer the security. And here are 5. 5 job is security.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Clarence Dante. Work schedule with outlines and pattern working house assignment to and employers or the teams. It's the afternoon when and how long an individual works with them. A given encompassing factors like start and end times, day of the week, and shift patterns. Work schedules can vary significantly depending on the inter job roles and organizations. Number 9. Employment terms define the control agreement between an employers and an employer. Things they terms outline the rights, responsibility, and condition of employment and shaping the overall employment regulation. They are typically documented in an employment control or employees or handbook. Number 10. Responsibility and accountability are interconnected concepts that define the rules, duties, and commitments. As simply when a job responsibility reference to the rights and duties assigned to an individual or team, while accountability signs the obligation to answer for the outcome of those takes. Both are essentially critical of a well-functioning and productive workplace. 11. Occupational striving to the negative psychological and physical effects experienced by employers as a result of their work environment or job development. It's a significant concept in factor impacting employers' well-being and organization structure can strengthen from work bureaus sources including excessive workload, long working hours, lack of control over one poor work-life balance, and frequent resolve workplace conflict and lack of recognition of support. Right?
Let's proceed to physical conditions of work and productivity. The physical environment in which work in perform plays a crucial role in employee health and safety, ultimately productivity. So the factors affecting physical conditions. So number one is ergonomics. Ergonomics for poorly designed workstations, repetitive movements, and indicate lightning can lead to musculoskeletal disorders, fatigue, and decreased concentration. So, ergonomics is the science of designing workspaces, tools, and tasks to fit the user's needs. So, ensuring efficiency, comfort, and safety for designed workstation. So, such as that those will encourage the height, improper monitor, and placement. Awkward desk setups can have negative impact on health and productivity. So, number two is temperature and ventilations. So, extreme temperatures indicate ventilations and poor air quality can cause discomfort, stress, and reduce cognitive functions. So, temperature and air quality are crucial factors in creating health and productive work environment. Extreme temperatures and poor air quality can negatively affect employees' comfort, health, and cognitive abilities, leading to a decline in overall performance. So number three is noise levels. Excessive noise can disrupt concentrations, increase stress, and lead to hearing damage. So, excessive noise in the workplace is a significant issue that can negatively impact employees' well-being, performance, and long-term health. So number four is safety hazard. Exposure to hazardous materials indicate safety equipment, and unsafe work practices can result in accidents and injuries. So, safety hazard in the workplace refers to any conditions or situations and pose a risk to health and safety employees. So, exposure to hazardous materials indicates safety equipment, and unsafe work practices can significantly increase the likelihood accidents and injuries. So that's all. Thank you.
Effects on productivity. Reduce efficiency. Physical discomfort and strain can hinder focus and reduce work output. Physical discomfort or mga wala ka na mga gipagbati nato sa lawas na maoy makadistract yun sa atong mga una-una taga-adlaw o makapawala nato og kusog o abilidad sa atong mga gipang trabaho. Increase absenteeism. Meaning ani kay mao gid siya meaning nagkadaghan gid ang mga tawo mga wala gani ng trabaho or wala mang eskwela resulta gini siya resulta gini sa mga wala ng trabaho or wala mang eskwela resulta nga sa atong mga personal problem kagalingon tong mga problema kay sa mga wala ng trabaho problema gid ang gastuson o sa mga wala mong eskwela problema gid nila ang wala sila employment. At unan, lowered moral. Ang tao nga naay lowered moral gid kay or walay self-confidence, sila gid ang mga tao nga walay salig sa ilang kagalingon para sa ubang mga tao or sa ilang trabaho. Mo resulta gid sa pagka-decrease sa ilang kalipay ug sa pagka-productive nila sa ilang gibuhat nga trabaho.
Good day, ma'am. My report is comparing constructing temporal condition of work. The temporal condition refers to the including and timing of work, including factors like work hours, shift patterns, and flexibility. This response explores the different temporal conditions of work, comparing and constructing their characteristic, impact, and implication for employees. We'll delve into various work arrangement including shift work, on-call flex time, and the result-only work environment. Next is traditional work schedule. So these are the part of traditional work schedule. Standard 8 hours work day and shift work. So standard 8 hours work day offer a predictable routine but can be flexible and date personal needs. And shift work allows for 24/7 operation but can be scrapped sleep patterns, affect social life, and lead to health issues. Thank you.
Flexible work arrangement. 1. Flex time. Allows the employees to adjust their work hours within a set of arranged, promoting work-life balance. Number 2. Telecommuting enables employees to work remotely, offering flexibility and potentially reducing community time. Number 3. Compressed work weeks. Allows for longer work days but fewer work days per week, providing more time for personal activities.
The importance of the specific condition of the workplace. Physical condition impresses the emotional, mental, and social aspect of the work environment. This is factor especially in violence, employee well-being, motivation, and performance. Physical condition means to know the emotion and mental of the workers and workplace. Important jud may balaan natin sa ilang factors because maka-influence di sa mga well-being, employees, and motivation and performance nila. Possible. These are the key elements to positive biological workplace. Respect and inclusive culture. Respect and inclusive culture value distinct treat everyone with dignity and foster equality, belong, and mental respect. Support and leadership. Support and leadership focus on guiding, motivation, and empowering team members while addressing their needs and concerns. Meaningful work. Meaningful work refers to tasks to the roles that provide a sense of the purpose, fulfillment, and positive impact. Work-life balance. A meaningful work-life balance involves managing time and emergency between work, personal life, and ensuring both are fulfilling and well prioritized. Stress management. Stress management involves techniques and cope with stress such as practicing, realization, exercising, maintaining a balanced lifestyle, and using mindfulness. And I thank you.